Hello, welcome to another episode of the Border Hookups.
It is really windy out here, but I am really excited because I'm going over to Paul and Tiffany's rig, and they have something for me. They are making me a bracelet, and I'm really excited because there aren't a lot of places where I can get jewelry out here, and I have seen their magnificent dog collars that they make, and I want to see the bracelet that they made for me. So we're here today with Tiffany, and Tiffany is the owner of Heart Dog Creations?
Yes.
Heart Dog Creations. So what do you do at Heart Dog Creations?
So we make blingy dog collars, bracelets, leashes, kind of a variety of different things, something to make your dog stand out when they're out on their walks.
That's really cool, and I've seen some of your creations. Is that one of them right there?
This is one. Some people like something more simple. Some people like all the bling. We can do big, wide, crazy, lots of bling, or we can keep it real subtle or simple. We can do plain with no bling at all. They're supposed to be collars that are functional yet pretty.
Okay. So, and how did you get into such a business?
We started out making dog tags. It was kind of a fun hobby. Something to keep me busy a little bit on my off time. I started out on the road as a traveling CT technologist, and I thought, well, this would be something to do on my weekends off, and I started selling to a couple friends, and then their friends started asking me if I could make them one, and it just continued to grow, and it got to the point that I was spending so much time making tags that it became more than a weekend thing, and I had finished up my last assignment that I had just taken, and it just kind of never stopped.
So you stay on the road, so you're a full-time RVer? Okay.
Yeah, my husband Paul and I and our two dogs.
Two dogs. So. Okay. And what inspired you? Did your dogs inspire you to?
Yeah. You know, I started out buying some fun blingy dog collars and buying fun blingy tags, and as a lot of hobbies start, you think, well, maybe I could try that, not realizing that you kind of dive off the deep end of getting so far into it, it becomes more than a hobby eventually. So.
Sure. Okay, and then do people get to choose? How do they choose what they want as far as, you know, a dog collar or a bracelet?
So we have a website now that
Awesome.
Built that last year. That was a fun project of not being a web designer. So you can go online. We have all of our designs on the website. You can pick colors, you can pick sizes. They're fully custom made exactly to your dog's neck size and crystal colors, everything. So wrist bracelets are made, you know, exact to your measurement. We do cat collars too.
Oh, really?
Cats gotta have some bling too.
Yes,
so,
they have to look nice.
Yes, exactly. So we can match everything.
Okay. And then you and your husband, Paul, you guys make everything yourselves from start to finish right here.
Yes, we do. We start out with whole sides of leather that we bring in. I just got a shipment of 8 sides of leather, which is like a half of a cow. So storage becomes a little bit of an issue of traveling on the road, but then we end up strapping them down into different size straps, poking all the holes with my patterns, setting all the crystals, kind of putting them together, finishing all the edges. Everything is finished. The edges are sealed to help prevent, so your dogs can swim in them, they can hike in them, they can run, dirt, everything. They are made to last.
Okay. So. Wow, no kidding. That's fantastic. So I guess you have to have a place where you can receive some of the things that you need, and then do you ship them out?
Yeah, so that's one of the other difficult things is traveling on the road, is we always have to be somewhere that we can get packages, because I'm constantly ordering supplies. I'm ordering leather, crystals, hardware, just there's so many supplies, and we kind of travel post office to post office, you could say.
I guess,
So
yeah.
as soon as we know the next place we think we're gonna go, packages start getting shipped there, and then I have stuff waiting for me. If I don't think it's gonna arrive in time where I'm at now, we start sending stuff to the next location. So we do have to travel with a little bit of structure to know how long am I gonna be in one spot, how long am I gonna be to take to get to the next spot. Can I send stuff there so I have it waiting for me? So it's a logistical
kind of like
nightmare.
A puzzle, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then how many of these can you make in a typical day?
I usually do 2 or 3 sometimes in a day is kind of my goal. It's just me, so my husband helps me when he can, but it's a labor of love. So one collar, you know, takes anywhere from 1 to 3 hours to make one. So it's kind of varies then how many I can make in a day based on, some of them are a little simpler, these don't take as long. Some of our more intricate designs can take all of 3 hours to make one collar.
Do you want to show one of your fancy ones? I love these. They're so impressive.
So we have, like I said, from simple and light. This is just a tag collar, so it's just meant to just hang a tag on, something that your dog can just wear around the house comfortably and easily. This one isn't designed for walking on a leash or anything like that. This is one of our more intricate designs, 2.5 inches wide, of lots of colorful bling. And we do narrower ones, so if you have a littler dog, you want a 1 inch.
Wow,
you can have some of those.
That. So beautiful.
This was one of our more simpler ones as well. Just a little 1/2 inch, lots of purples, purple ombre kind of all the way throughout. We've got tons of different colors of leather, so if you can also customize black, brown, white, tan, teal, burgundy. I know I'm forgetting colors, but you can choose almost any color that you want for leather and then match your crystals to it.
Wow.
And everything gets
beautiful,
made to order. So
any occupational hazards of doing this?
Yeah, sometimes I hit myself with the hammer.
All right, Tiffany, so what do you have here?
So this is kind of the finished product. When everything gets ready to go out, we try to just include a little goodies, a little can koozie, some heart dog stickers in case you want a little bit of representation. We try to throw in some treats for the dogs, and then all our collars, we just try to make sure that they make it to you in pristine condition, so they're all packaged up, tissue paper, and in a beautiful little bag, so that it's almost like Christmas morning when you get to open up your package. So
it's beautiful. Very nice. Good. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
We're excited to have you make some bracelets for us.
Yes.
Taking this home.
It feels like Christmas morning.
Kind of does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened?
We get to look at our bracelets. Tiffany brought over our bracelets for us, so we're gonna open them up and see if they fit and what they look like.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if yours has bling on them.
She who knows what she did. You guys were joking around about it pretty good yesterday, so we'll find out if
she added anything.
Yeah. Should we open them?
Yes.
You have your tea, so I'll do the opening.
Sounds good. Thank you.
It does feel like Christmas morning.
It kind of does. And my dad used to always video us on Christmas morning.
Yeah.
Opening all of our presents.
And it partly feels like Christmas morning because it rained last night in the desert. And we haven't seen rain since
we've been here.
Definitely since we've been here. I think the last time it rained was Spearfish.
And that was what, September?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's now mid-December, so really weird for us to, first of all, not have snow, and second of all, just not have any kind of precipitation. Blue skies, beautiful, every single day here.
Yeah. We played an outdoor kind of small little impromptu show the other day, and it's so different because you look at the weather and you're not like, I wonder if it's going to rain. It's just, it's not going to rain, except it rained last night, but we knew 6 days out that it was going to rain.
Everybody knew. It was the talk of the place.
Yeah.
So,
All right,
okay.
back at it.
Without further ado, but wait, which one's mine? Are they both in there together?
They're both in here together, and it's really cool because they packaged a koozie, which is really cool, and it says Heart Dog Creations, and then inside there's a little heart sticker that will go somewhere.
For sure.
And it's neat too, and in the video obviously you saw that when they send the dog collars, these are bracelets, and we don't have a dog, so it wouldn't make sense to give us dog treats.
Doggy treats. No doggy treats, but you can get bracelets too. And I don't know, maybe they would send doggy treats just in case. But they know that we don't have
We don't have a dog. Because
So.
And
right.
so, and then they do the dog tags too.
Come on,
So,
come on, come on, come on,
I'm
come on.
assuming that this is yours.
Okay, I gotta
is
put
a
my
little
tea
bitty
down.
one.
You open yours first.
Okay. Yes.
Ooh.
There it is.
Ooh, you want me to put it on you?
Yeah. Let's do
Okay.
it.
Yeah,
No, it doesn't fit.
Look at you, Studley. Wow. Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
Eh?
So now I have.
That's pretty manly.
And I made sure that it wasn't too tight, and the reason is because when I play guitar,
Okay.
I can't have it too tight.
That makes sense.
So there you go.
Mine seems so teeny compared to yours.
I'm about to sneeze.
Bless you. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And this blue color that I chose is actually my birthstone. My birthday is in December, so it's coming up here. Yeah, so I got it. Thank you. Perfect. It's really nice. I love it. Nice job, Tiffany.
Nice job, Tiffany.
Really nice job.
Tiffany and Paul.
Heart Dog Creations.
Yeah. It's a great service. It's a great product. We love it.
Support your local full-time RVers.
Yeah. They're working hard out on the road and
Yeah.
putting out a great product.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wonder Twin Powers.
What? Stop.
Activate.
Stop.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing, and please remember to subscribe and to ding that bell so that we can let you know as to when we have more episodes coming out.
And if you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and place a comment below and let us know what you're thinking, or just say hi. And we hope to see you out there.
We'll see you out there.
Today we're going to be talking about a full-time RV business and show you how people get creative on the road.
And our
What was that?
inverter in the background. Hey, welcome to the Border Hookups Go RVing, a new episode, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and I didn't leave room for the dog to bark.
Okay.
Sorry, Jack. Hey there, welcome to another episode. Hey. Hey.
Is your tongue numb?
Yeah, a little bit.
Today we're going to be introducing you to somebody who it's not going well. Yes. Hello. Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, not looking at that?
Nope.
Okay.
Well, hello there. Welcome to another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing.
Today we're going to be introducing
We didn't leave
you...
room for Jack to bark.
We didn't.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing. We hope you enjoyed what we had to show you, and
Our blah blah, we're just not doing
or
well.
blah blah blah.
Yeah,
Blah blah blah.
they understand that.
Yeah. As to when we have more episodes coming out.
Perfect timing.
Perfect delivery, imperfect timing. Is that a pizza truck?
Stop and come back. I think it's carpeting, actually.
Is it carpet?
Yeah, I don't know, they're coming back.
You gotta be kidding me. Who are these people? How did we land here?